Welcome to King's the Music Lesson. In this video, you will learn about 9 ornaments and how they are used in music. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for future videos. Ornaments are extra notes which decorate the music. Glissando, sliding the fingers or hand from one note to another. Glissando. Rolled chords. A rolled chord is an effect that mimics the strumming of a string instrument. It is one of the ways you can get a piano to sound like a guitar. Rolled chord. Vibrato, shaken repeated fluctuation of pitch. Vibrato. Grace note. Grace note, an ornamental note usually played quickly before the main note on the downbeat. Grace note.
Here's our goal note. You go a half step or a whole step below. Usually I do a half step. Right before I play the note, I kind of glide off of that note, slide off of that note, and I go to the goal note.
Upper Mordent consists of the principal note, the note of the scale above, and the principal note again, played as quickly as possible in the time of the principal note. Upper Mordent.
So you play that note. You play a note what we call an upper neighbor, which is the next scale note up. So in this case, E. And then back down to the principal note where you started. Example where we have the Mordent over this E here, and we have a C major chord. The E and the C major chord obviously hit on a beat. So if I'm counting out loud, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Lower Mordent, a melodic ornament consisting of the rapid alteration of a note with a note 1 degree lower than it. Lower Mordent.
And what this basically means is when he writes the A note, instead of just playing A, you go A underneath and then back up as quickly as you can. So you decorate the main note before it's heard. Like that, okay? And you can vary the speed of these lower mordents.
Mordent is an ornament indicating that the note is to be played with a single rapid alteration with the note above or below. Trill. A trill cymbal instructs the player to oscillate between 2 chromatic notes very quickly. Trill.
Do you see that? There's almost...
Turn. Turn is an ornament that, in the Baroque era, starts above the written note, moves through it, below, then back to the written note. Turn.
Turn is when you take the melody note and you go up like this. Play the note,
Tremolo or roll. The tremolo marking indicates the player should play the note in a rapidly repeated way to create a tremolo effect. Tremolo or roll.
My low G, here's my high G. And the sound of the tremolo is just going to be...
Take advantage of the wide variety of content available on Kingsley Music Lesson. Thank you for watching.